Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your device is updated, battery is healthy, and Wi-Fi or cellular is on. Next, make sure you know your Apple ID and password because you'll sign in immediately. Open the Settings app and tap your name at the top. This takes you directly into Apple ID controls. Once done, you'll see Icloud listed. That's where you enable syncing. Do this now so you can select which apps and data use iCloud next. Once you tap iCloud, you'll see a list of apps and data categories you can sync. You should toggle on the items you want backed up: Photos, Contacts, Notes, iCloud Drive, because toggling controls what is uploaded and kept current across devices. Make sure to tap iCloud Backup and enable it if you want automatic device backups. Then tap Manage Storage to check what's consuming space and whether you need to upgrade your plan. This prevents unexpected sync failures and keeps your data safe. To finalize, verify that syncs are happening. Check recent backup timestamps and app sync indicators. If something stalls, sign out of your Apple ID, sign back in, and restart the device that refreshes connections. Make sure your Apple ID is correct, network access is stable, and you have enough iCloud storage. If storage is full, upgrade or free space to resume backups. If problems persist, Apple ID password resets or contacting support may be the next step. But first, try the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.